Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about list items. Okay, what is list items? List elements are generally called as a list items. So in the previous video you already know about what is list and how list access and store all the elements within the square bracket, and that square bracket store the elements name are called as a list items. So 1 2 3 4 5, these are called as a list items and it is generally in the form of integer. Okay, so here list items are ordered, changeable, allow duplicate values. Okay, it says that it is ordered way and changeable also. You can modify the list items and also duplicate that list items. So how could you notify, identify each and every elements inside the list? So it will given a index value. Okay, it will accessing through the index value. So here index of 0 and the second item is has an index of 1, just like array. Okay, if you beginner and starting from the Python, okay, you are starting from the Python of on a programming language, first selection of programming language, it is new for you. If you for already come out from the C++, Java, there is array concept is there and the elements are accessing through the array like this. Okay, so indexing wise you can access all the elements. So I will take one example, very easy for you to understand how it is going to be work. Fine, so let's see. I will given you L equal to list 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, now if I am going to print, it will return me as a list. Okay, it is return me as a list. Then go for accessing individual element. Okay, then print L of 0. So which element is going to be return me? It return you as a first index element. So this is 1. Then print, okay, sorry, print L of 2. What is going to be print here? Understand? Write on the comment box what is going to be print L2. Here that is going to be written 3. Okay, so here starting from the, I will in comment box I will write here 0, then 1, that is 2, that is 3, there is 4. Okay, and there is also reverse indexing is present. What is reverse indexing? If you go for the, there is a 5 elements, -5. Okay, just a minute. -5, then -4, then -3, then -2, then -1. Okay, this is the reverse way you can access also. So if you go for the reverse way, accessing the element print L of -5. Okay, you understand? So when you going to print here, it will return you 1. So if you want to validate the value present in -5 is equal to the value present on 0 index, how could you validate? There is a if condition is there, L of 0, okay, equal to L of -5. Agar है if present, then print here if present, means if they are both are equal, then it is going to be print yes, true. Okay, it return you true, identical, or you can print here identical. You can print here identical. Print non-identical. Okay, non-identical. Fine. So start here. So here true is written. So what that is the point here, the both index elements are same. Okay, if you want to access -1, print L of -1 and it is return you 5. Okay, it return you 5, which is similar to the index 4 if you go for the positive indexing, and if you go for the negative indexing, this is also called a reverse indexing. Okay, for you can use also for x in L colon print L of x. Let's see it is return you what. Okay, it returns you in error form list index out of range. Okay, there is also different way. I will print here for x in L. Okay, I will show you how it is going to work in upcoming videos. You understand slowly, and capture each and every point in your mind, and practice more. Okay, this is the beginning. Upcoming time there is lots of different types of problems are arises, and will show you how it is going to solve it. Okay, so it's a beginning, so I will not go for this thing. Okay, I am just testing for that code. Okay, so it is giving me error. Okay, fine. Okay, we forget about it. Then move on. If you understand here that if you we can access elements inside the list object as a forward direction, and there is a backward and reverse direction, that is minus. Okay, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Fine. So that's all. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there, and please like and share this video, and click also subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future video, you will get the notifications. Thank you.